here come the first rates then on the screens right now. And we've managed to defend that 19,500 print for now at least, but let's see where it's going to head in and whether it's going to only worsen from here or not. And seems like it's getting pretty close to testing that 19,500 print for the Nifty 50. Similar move for the Sensex as well, down about 0.7%. And you're seeing quite a bit of red actually across the screen as we speak right now. Asian Paints, Tata Steel, ONGC, Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, SBI down 1.5%, NTPC, quite a bit of red in there. Let's talk about the stocks in news then this morning. And Reliance Industries, considering ADIA is looking to invest into Reliance Retail for that 0.5% stake. 0.7% lower for Reliance, which is now, by the way, about to even reach 2,300, and I think this is going to happen after a while. TCS, let's see what that stock is up to. I think it was in the red. Those are the first ticks on TCS. No, 0.5% higher, 36.37 on that stock, ahead of its numbers in buyback tomorrow. ONGC, crude surge, Brent back to $90 per barrel on the West Asia conflict. About 1.5% is the uptick that you see on ONGC. Titan as well, positive news flow there after the second quarterly numbers. Both the jewelry as well as the eye care businesses are looking robust. 1% lower for Titan, not really seeing any cheer there. What about MCX? That has also come out. SEBI panel has approved shifting to a new platform. MCX holds up about 1.25% in an otherwise weak market. Positive management commentary from both Metropolis as well as Prestige in their Q2 updates. So look out for what both these stocks as well do. And then, of course, there's RVNL as well, which has, got a LOA from the Mumbai Metro for a project worth about 395 odd crore rupees. 4% is the gap down that you're seeing on RVNL. What about Tata Steel? I think that started off in the red, considering the India business delivery is down nearly about 2%, and Europe delivery has also slipped 4% on a year-on-year basis, 2.5% lower for Tata Steel as we speak right now. The big mover from last week, let's see what Bajaj Finance is up to after that fundraising, and then in the run-up to that as well. Bajaj Finance takes a breather at 81.20 as we speak right now. ICICI Bank, Infosys, HDFC Bank, just want to revisit all these rates. 0.5% lower for ICICI Bank, Infi marginally higher. And then HDFC Bank down 1% once again. Kunal, what's it looking like? Seems like we're already headed into breach 19,500. What would it mean?
Yeah, I think it could again mean that we are back below that 50-day moving average for the Nifty, and that could, I think, dent the immediate prospects for the market. So, not a great opening for the indices. There's got to be more selling pressure across the board, especially for the stocks which have been showing signs of recovery over the last couple of days, and specifically the last 3 days of the market recovery. In terms of the opening trade, DLF is something which looks attractive. So the stock from the real estate pack looks quite charged up. So we'll wait out for some mild corrections into the stock price to buy into the dip.
All right, there you have it. That's a buy recommendation coming in on DLF. And a quick check-in on the broader universe as well. And it looks like that underperformance is pretty evident this morning. It's a sharper cut as compared to the frontline indices in excess of 1%.